In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide your online status here on TikTok. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. By default, if your TikTok activity status is on, your friends, meaning your followers and anyone that you actually follow back, can see when you are active on TikTok. If you'd rather keep that private, here's how you can turn it off. Begin by opening up TikTok. And once you open up TikTok, go ahead and tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right corner. And from here, tap on the three lines up in the top right corner. And from this pop-up, select settings and privacy. Now within your settings, what you're going to want to do is actually tap on privacy under the account section up at the very top. And you're going to see an activity status up at the very top. Go ahead and toggle the switch off to hide your online status. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. Now, no one's going to see when you're active on TikTok. But yeah, that's how you can go ahead and hide your TikTok activity status in just a few taps. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.